Hey y'all, what's up? What's poppin'? Okay, y'all. Hey, what's up? It's your girl Tori. All things Tori. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. How y'all doing? I'm back. I'm trying to I think I'm doing good being consistent and whatnot, dropping a video once every week. Or is this back up and running my graphics? By T, if you don't know, follow me on Instagram. I'll put it on the screen, and follow me on my business page and get your intros, outros, banners, and your business graphics, because we do it all. We do it what? All, okay? So, as y'all know, I am a beginner lash tech. I'm still studying my crafts. Those few videos up gonna be coming about that soon too. I should have did an unboxing with y'all, but I don't know. I opened that package up so fast, y'all, like too fast. I opened that package up quick. I was excited to get some lash stuff. Other do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you don't want to miss a video on this channel, okay, baby? And if you a Libra, put it in the comment below, because you know we is hot out here, okay? Something's gonna come up. I hope y'all, I'm gonna do a challenge with y'all soon, so that is going to be coming up too. And yeah. All right, bye y'all. I'm gonna stop. Okay, y'all. So this is the box. These are the glasses. The hairs are so little for me to see on the eyelash stuff that it gets on my nerves. Oh, they said thank you. Talk about me some magnifying sunglasses. Some magnifying glasses to see the hair. It came with a charger. Let's see what else it came with. Some instructions. And these are the glasses and the magnifier, the magnifying things, whatever, lenses, the magnifying lenses, different sizes, a cloth to clean them, and the glasses. It's very tech. This is gonna make me feel like a eye doctor or something. But y'all, I don't care how these people be looking at me. I need them. I want to be a lash tech so bad, and I'm not letting nothing get in my way. So, yeah. Now, since y'all want to be the honest truth, y'all want us to tell us the honest truth about being a content creator, I'm gonna put all this stuff back in the box so I can create a TikTok and do it on there as well. Okay, y'all. So again, here is the glasses. So you clip the thing in this little hole here. This little black thing. Right there. Clip that in. You play around with the different lenses, but I found the lens that I like per se. So you clip it on in there, and I'm gonna show you how they look when I put them on. Okay. All right, y'all. Mrs. Lash T to you. Okay. This is the way it's giving. Y'all, my braids be killing me. This is what it's giving. Okay. Okay, y'all. So again, I'm gonna show y'all my first eyeball that I did. Y'all know I say eyeball. Yeah, but that's her. Look at her. Okay. Now, mind you, as I said before, keep that in mind, but this is my first one. I'm going to put more hairs on the mannequin, the eyelid, so I can get a fuller classic set look. But I'm not practicing hybrids or mega volume yet, just only classics. And that was my first eye. Y'all. It took me 4 hours for my first eye, but that's okay because they said that's fine. I'm just starting off. But the goal is to get it to 2 hours, 1.5 to 2 hours. So I cannot wait till y'all see me start taking clients and stuff. But yeah, let's get. But yeah, and those little dots that y'all see. Where's my damn finger at? The little dots that y'all see. Don't look, pay attention to my nails. They need to be did. That is too much glue that I put. I now know that. So with my next eye, y'all see me get better. And I'm gonna lash with y'all. I did not get all of them, as you can see. I believe, let me see what I was using. And this is my second eye. See, not as many glue drops, dots as the first one. I did not finish this one. So I'm going to finish this one so y'all can see the process of it. This is what I take down. As y'all know, I don't really like mannequins like that. Can't really get to them and stuff. So I taped it down on his ratchet. But hey, there go one of the little hairs. Look how small these hairs is, y'all. Now watch when I back up. Hey y'all, so this is the classic set that I did, my first one. I just was showing y'all how it looks. So stay tuned to see my progress. Curse your eyes. Like, so I have my magnifying glasses so I can be up on it, okay? But yeah, so I'm finna do some lashes with y'all. Y'all gonna see. Hey y'all, so these are the lashes I'm currently using. They came with my lash kit. They're 12 millimeters, and we are doing the point CNC. All right. Just for reference, 12 mm means how long they are, and the C means like the style and the width. My son holding my camera, my phone, y'all. So, yeah, with us. Don't take my tweezers like that. Y'all probably hear his breath and everything. Okay, y'all. So, sorry for the TV in the background. Y'all might hear my son watching it, but yeah. So what I do, I have to hold it. It's supposed to be sticking. My other supplies is coming soon, but for right now it's unsticky. That's why I don't like to practice kit that much. Cause yeah, obviously it's a practice kit, so it's getting on my nerve. But yeah. So hopefully y'all can see. I take one little hair, one incy bitsy hair. Yeah, small. Y'all see how little that hair is? See it now? It's so small. But there it is. Put a little piece of glue right here. Okay. So then I tap it in some glue. And you don't want to do too much glue. Like, you don't want to do too much. You just want to swipe it through. Okay. And then rub off the excess. I'm only practicing this. I'm not going to do this to the client. Obviously, I have my glue rings. But this is just to show y'all. Because I wasn't ready to lash right now. You know? And this is just to show. Okay, so this is just showing y'all a demonstration, basically how I learned how to isolate. I'm taking my two tweezers here. That tweezer you see right there, that's in the lashes, that's isolating tweezer. I'm using it to separate the hair so I can get to one single hair. And I'm using my other tweezer to place the hair on top of their lash. If you would do a regular client, obviously I wouldn't do this to my regular clients. This is just a practice purpose only. And it was really hard to record this video to find the angles and everything. But yeah, if I still have some footage, I'm going to include like my progress. And then, you know, we're going to do more videos continuing it.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.